Click on File and Open. Select Image and click on Open. Click on Image and image size. Change width 2500 pixels and press OK. Unlock layer and make duplicate. Hide the bottom layer. Select Quick Selection tool. Select Background. Click on Select an Inverse. Click on Layer Mask. Select Head. Right-click and click on Layer via Copy. Make head bigger. Hold down Ctrl and click on bottom layer. Drag down. Click on Adjustment layer and Solid color. Choose color and press OK. Hold down Shift and click on upper layer. And press Ctrl+E. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter and Liquify. Eye size 95, eye height 100, eye width 100. Eye distance -40. Nose height 100. Nose width 60. Forehead -20. Chin height -30. Jawline -20. Press OK. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate this layer. Hide the upper layer. Click on bottom layer. Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. Follow the all settings and press OK. Click on Filter, Stylize and Oil Paint. Stylization 4, Cleanliness 4, Scale 2. Press OK. Click on Filter and Filter Gallery. Click on Poster Edges. Edge thickness 0, edge intensity 0, posterization 2. Click on Filter, Blur and Surface Blur. Radius 20 pixels. Press OK. Again click on Filter, Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. Amount 140%. Radius 7.5 pixels. Threshold 25 levels. Press OK. Unhide the upper layer and change blending mode normal to overlay. Opacity 55%. Click on Filter and Filter Gallery. Edge thickness 4, edge intensity 3, posterization 4. Press OK. Click on Filter, Stylize and Oil Paint. Stylization 10, Cleanliness for 0.5, Scale 2.5. Press OK. Click on the upper layer and press Ctrl+J. Change blending mode normal to soft light. Opacity 35%. Double-click on Filter Gallery. Edge thickness 4, edge intensity 7, posterization 6. Press OK. Double-click on Oil Paint. Stylization 5, Cleanliness 2.5, Scale 0.1. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Texture 35. Clarity 15. Click on Detail. Sharpening 30. Radius 1.5, Detail 70. Click on Effects. Grain 40. Vignetting -30. Press OK. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.